Hello and welcome to my channel. Affiliate marketing is the preferred entry method for most people who are considering building an income source online because it doesn't require any special skills and doesn't require a big budget, but the results and the outcome could be very attractive and consistent. In this video, I will show you how to do affiliate marketing without a website. But before we both forget about it, please hit the button below to subscribe to the channel and also the bell, activate the bell so you can be notified of the new upcoming videos. The traditional method to do affiliate marketing involves the four following components. First, the product or service we want to promote. Second, the authorization from the vendor to promote their product using a link or a code that is associated to us as marketers so we can get the commission for every sale we can drive to them. Third, a blog or a website to do the promotion. And fourth, and very important, the traffic to expose our promotion to. So, for the product selection, there are several affiliate marketplaces where we can find hundreds, if not thousands, of products for different niches to choose from. Any product or service can be promoted, but I suggest to stick with a niche we are familiar with, because that way it will be easier for us to generate content and add value to our audience so we can get trusted. So once we selected the product on the affiliate marketplace, the page related to that product, we can find the contact details of the vendor to request the authorization to promote it and receive the code or the link that will identify us as affiliate marketers of that product and get the commission on the sale we made. Now comes the fun part. Normally, the promotion is done through a website or a blog where we include information or a review of the product so the interested party can make a better informed decision, and the process goes like this. The user visits your page, your website, your blog, read your useful content, and they will find a link, a button that will take them to a sales page and make the purchase. If that is what happens, then congratulations, you have earned a commission. But in a moment, I will show you how you can do all of this without a blog or website. And finally, the traffic that we need to present our promotion can be either free traffic or paid traffic. Both methods requires some kind of investment, be it time, money, or both. So the free traffic in reality is not free at all. In a nutshell, the free traffic route requires some deep research work and also search optimization adjustment of the website or the blog so it can be easily find and rank in the search results for the people who are interested in that product or service. The paid route requires the use of an advertisement platform like Facebook or Google Ads or Bing or any other similar, where we can set up a paid campaign to drive traffic to the website or the blog and eventually make the sales. Let's agree on the following. The things that have value for us are those we deem worthy of our attention and effort. If building an online income source is worth your time investment or money investment, bear with me because I will show you a method that can get results easier and without paid advertising. This method takes advantage of the relationship between Google and YouTube to rank our promotion within the search results. Google feeds from YouTube to show the top related videos within the results using the YouTube ranking. In this scenario, when people search for a term or a keyword, let's say the product name, Google will pull out the most relevant videos from YouTube and show them at the top of the first page of the search results. Given the direct relationship between Google and YouTube, that is, Google owns YouTube, it is easier to get included within the results when the right keywords are used in the title as well as the description of our video. If you want to receive more information about this, simply go to bizfury.com/fast and let me know where to send it. So, when people search for a term or a keyword that is included in the title and or the description of our video, it will come up within the top results and people will be more likely to watch our video, especially if it contains a review of the product or any other content of value that will help them to solve any problem or clear any doubt that they may have over the product or service. And this is where, when a good knowledge or familiarity with the niche comes in handy to provide good and trustworthy content. Then it is a matter of including the link within the video, within the title of the video, or the description of the video, so they can visit the sales page and make the purchase, and we log the commission. These steps complete the cycle that will maintain our process sustainable over time. Because the more our video is watched as part of search results, the more YouTube will rank it and will keep showing within the top results for that keyword. Cool, right? And voila, we have created a low maintenance online passive income source. With the help of my good friend Paul, you can access this free bonus fully loaded with golden nuggets so you can start and grow your online marketing business. Remember, if you want to go deep on this method, you just need to go to bizfury.com/fast and let me know where to send the information. If you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell to get notified of new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.